how to check PayPal limits. So if you want to check PayPal limits, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PayPal application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now once you've logged into your account, on the bottom right corner, you will have a wallet option. You need to just tap on the wallet, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now it will take you to this kind of interface. If you have added a debit or credit card, you need to click on the card and you'll be able to see your limit. If not, you can also go to the help and support section of PayPal. Once you go with the help and support section, you'll be able to see that here you will have the daily spending limits and ATM and over-the-counter withdrawal limits of PayPal debit card. It says that you can spend up to $3,000 with daily spending on your debit card and $400 at ATM withdrawal limit. You can spend up to $4,000 without a verified account and up to $60,000 with a verified account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.